Before we start, quick heads up. This video is sponsored by Fish Audio, and there's a reason that matters more than usual here, because you've been listening to me talk for the last 20 seconds, and that isn't my voice. That's a clone. I recorded about a minute of reference audio, and everything you've heard since this video started was generated. Not a robotic text-to-speech read. Pauses, the emphasis, the way I trail off at the end of a sentence, all of it. Here's the same line in my actual recorded voice, and here it is cloned. I'll let you decide which one you'd have caught. Let me show you how this works, because it's changed how I make every video on this channel. If you make content with a voiceover, you already know the specific misery I'm about to describe. You write a script, you sit down to record, you're 4 minutes in and you fumble one word, so you go back. Your neighbor starts drilling, your chair creaks, you get through the whole thing and realize the energy dropped halfway because you'd been talking for 40 minutes. Then you edit the script, one sentence, a small change, and now you have to set the mic back up and match the tone of a take you recorded 3 days ago. That never quite works. That's before you get to the bigger ceiling. You can only ever sound like you, in one language, on the days your voice is working. For a faceless channel, where the voice basically is the brand, that's a real constraint. Fish Audio is a full AI audio platform. Voice cloning, voice design, sound effects, transcription, audio separation. Their S2 Pro model went up against every major text-to-speech competitor in a blind test in April and ranked #1 overall, with a score nearly 1.7 times the next best model. It's also open source and open weight, which is genuinely rare at this quality level. There are over 2 million voices in the community library and support for 80+ languages. But the thing that actually made me switch is a feature I'll get to in a minute, and it's not the cloning. Start here. Upload a clean reference recording of your voice. You don't need much, and quality matters more than length. Quiet room, decent mic, natural speaking pace. Don't perform it, just talk the way you actually talk, because that's what it's going to learn. Give it a moment to process, and your voice model is ready. I'll type a line I've never said out loud and generate it. My honest take on the first output: the timbre is there immediately, and it caught a specific thing I do where I drop pitch at the end of a list. What it doesn't do out of the box is decide how a line should be delivered. It reads it flat and correct. Which brings us to the actual reason I'm making this video. This is what separates Fish Audio from every voice tool I've used. S2 Pro takes inline emotion tags, written in plain language, right inside your script, and they control how the delivery changes from that point forward, not a drop-down with 6 preset emotions. You write the direction the way you talk to a voice actor. Watch, here's a flat line. I've been running for 20 minutes. Now the same line with tags. Open bracket, panting, close bracket. Open bracket, tired, close bracket. Then the line. Generate.
I've been running for 20 minutes. I've been running for 20 minutes.
Completely different read. And you can get very specific. Things like speaking slowly, almost hesitant, or dead tired, end of a very long shift, or voice rough from crying, trying to sound normal. It interprets the description. You're directing, not picking from a menu. 2 things I learned that the docs are right about. First, tags affect what comes after them, so place them exactly where the shift should happen, not at the top of the sentence, unless that's where you want it. Second, pairing an audio effect tag with an emotion tag gets you a much more natural result. Whispering on its own sounds thin. Whispering plus scared sounds like a person. And the tags aren't English only. S2 Pro reads natural language instructions across all 80+ languages, so you can write your direction in the same language as your script. This one launched in June, and it's free for a limited time during the launch window, so try it now rather than later. Voice Designer creates a completely original voice from a text description. No reference audio, no cloning. You describe a voice, and it builds one. The trick is writing the prompt properly. A weak prompt is a female voice, pleasant and clear. That gives you nothing to work with. A strong prompt gives it a persona, concrete vocal texture, pacing, and a scene. Here's what I used. A warm, intimate late-night radio host in their late 30s with a soft, husky voice. Relaxed, unhurried pacing with occasional gentle chuckles, like they're speaking to a single listener in a quiet room. Generate. Listen to that.
It's just you and me now, under the quiet blanket of the night. Let's just ease into the calm, shall we? Nothing to rush, nowhere to be.
Welcome back, dear listener. I hope you're cozy wherever you are. It's just you and me, under these quiet stars.
The persona did more work than 10 adjectives would have. Giving it a role the model can characterize instantly is far more effective than stacking descriptors. For anyone building characters, narration, a visual novel, or a second channel voice, this is a big deal. Last one, and it's the feature with the most obvious business case. My cloned voice can speak languages I don't speak. Same voice, same identity, different language. Here's a line from this script in Spanish, in my voice. I did not record that. I don't speak Spanish.
Yo no grabé eso. No hablo español. Yo no grabé eso. No hablo español.
For anyone thinking about a second language version of their channel, that used to mean hiring a voice actor per language and losing your identity in every one of them. What it's genuinely great at? Emotional control. That's the whole ballgame, and nothing else I've tried is close. Cloning quality is excellent, and the pricing is the part that surprised me most. This is the quality level that normally sits behind an enterprise paywall. What still needs you? Writing the tags. The model interprets your direction, but it can't decide the performance for you. If you write lazy tags, you get a lazy read. Treat it like directing an actor, and it delivers. That's a skill worth building, and it takes about an afternoon. Fish Audio is at fish.audio. My link is in the description and pinned comment. And the timing on this is genuinely good. Their anniversary campaign for creators is running from July 24th to August 24th, which is 50% off all creator plans. On top of that, and Voice Designer still free for subscribers. So if you were gonna test this at some point, testing it inside that window is the obvious move. And if you got this far without noticing the voice, that's the demo. Drop a comment telling me at what point you clocked it, or if you didn't. Subscribe for more tools that actually change how the work gets made.